As Derek with American Construction Supply, we're here with Sean from Minnich today to talk about the new Minnich CSV concrete vibrator. Sean, you want to tell us a little bit about the new features this year?
What we have here is we have a vibrator that you can change the speeds on for more pumpable mixes. It saves money for the contractor, saves blemishes in the concrete and things like that.
So, Sean, what does that mean, and can you break that down for our customers?
What it means is you have less work in fixing over-vibrated concrete, blemishes, patchwork, water staining that happens from over-vibration of concrete.
And how do the contractors change the settings on the vibrator?
What we have here is we have a Bluetooth app, and you Bluetooth to it just like a radio or any Bluetooth device. You have 3 options to change the speeds.
And do they have to get a new whip or heads or anything? Or how
No,
does
if they have existing Minnich products, it's fine, but we also have adapters for Oztech, Whiteco, Whacker, so you can use any whip on our motor.
Awesome, so super versatile.
Yes.
Great machine.
Yep.
So if you guys are looking for a new concrete vibrator, we stock these at all of our American stores. Come find me or give any one of us a call and we'll get you taken care of.